Greetings. This is Kenny J with PTFX University in the private trade room. Listen, guys, we are super excited. As you know, if you've been following me, if you're on my email list, if you're on my Telegram channel, my Discord, if you just follow me on YouTube and in the YouTube world, you know that we have been talking about the release of the Gold Rush Auto Trader, okay, on June 1st. We're excited to say that it has been released. It's live. Members are already enjoying this. I'm going to show you some testimonials as you stay tuned to the end of this video. And this software is super exciting, guys. And I want to go into a little bit more information about the Gold Rush and how you could actually save 50% on licensing on the Gold Rush right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into this. So first and foremost, guys, why the Gold Rush? All right. So number one, the Gold Rush Auto Trader is a 100% hands-free auto trading software. It's designed exclusively to trade gold, aka XAU USD, which is one of the most powerful and profitable commodities in the market. All right. So number one, hands-free, set it and forget it system. So in other words, guys, you do not have to do anything but set this thing up, and it's going to read and scan the markets for you and trade gold for you at a high, consistent level, okay, throughout the trade week. All right. It does everything for you. You set it and forget it. Number two, once again, it trades only gold. So that means there's high volatility, which means there could be a high reward as well. All right. Like, again, it's easy to set up, is perfect for beginners. So if you have no experience in trading at all, the Gold Rush is going to be very special for you because you don't have to be educated, do all the chart time, the chart hours, and do everything you need to do to become a consistent trader to make consistent money in the industry. I always say I have two types of clients. I have clients who actually want to learn this, and that's why we have PTFX University on www.privatetraderoom.com. We have high-level beginner, intermediate, and advanced training for people who actually want to learn how to trade, which I believe personally, if that's what you want to do, is the best skill that you could ever learn. Because once it's in your head, once you learn how to open up your laptop and turn your smartphone as well into an ATM machine, you could look at it, do your technical analysis, and make money daily, weekly, monthly. That is an important skill to know, especially with everything going on in this world, in this economy. You could always make money as long as you have access to the internet and a laptop. So learning this information is powerful. And that's why I've been able to do what I'm doing right now, because I went and actually learned the information. I've been trading for a very long time. All right. So, but I also have other clients who they say, hey, I don't want to learn this at all. I want to make money in the markets. I have money to invest in the markets, but I don't want to actually learn this. I just want a software, or I want someone to do this for me. So I have a lot of those clients as well, and that's no problem. That's why this is perfect for beginners, because you don't really need to know what to do other than follow simple instructions and to set it up. Okay. And we have real users actually seeing 100 up to 200% growth in just 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to show you a testimony and some testimonies of this actually happening in this video. So stay tuned. Also, there's no guesswork, no stress, just results. All right. And that's what we want to focus on. We want to focus on the results. This is straight to the point. It's a simple setup, and it gets right to the money. So after day one of launching the software, we had members already sending text messages, because I communicate to pretty much all my clients. You guys have my business line. We communicate. They send me messages, updates on anything that's going on. All right. And even when they're excited, they text me, and I love getting text messages like this. So we have one client here. He said, bro, I'm so glad I bought this. In just 2 days, I've already made $139. Okay. If I'm being honest, it's more than what I made working my job the last 2 days, which is crazy. All right. And I'm like, wow, that's incredible. I'm super excited for you and your future with the Gold Rush. Mine's performed well last night as well. Let's crush the week. Congratulations. All right. That's an amazing text message to wake up to. We have someone else here who said the Gold Rush is looking great on the demo. Can't wait to load it up live on Friday next week. So already earning profits on day one. And lastly, we have someone else here. I asked them, how did it go last night on the demo? They said, my night went well. I had a few clients that text me and woke up with profits. All right. And they're saying that they made $77 last night on the gold rush. All right. And they have other trades that are open and pending as well. So that is very exciting, guys, that you could just set this up. And then within your first couple of days, within your first week, you're already seeing results on this. And that's what we're seeing. All right, guys. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you our official launch video where we actually have live raw footage of accounts being built in real time by the Gold Rush. We have an account that went from 1,000 to 2,300, 1,000 to 3,200. And we have another account that went from 1,000 to 7,500. Okay. Well, actually, let me correct you on that. The account that went from 1,000 to 2,300 is the same account that went from 1,000 to 7,500. It was just about another week of growth. But you kind of see this in the video. And we also have another video on my YouTube channel as well, where we actually have the timeline from real time. All right. And you get to see this play out throughout a 3-week period. All right. Where we document the results and we put it out there for people to see. This was an amazing testimony. So without further ado, stay tuned to the end of the video. We're going to do a call to action. I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get a 50% discount. But we're going to dive into the official launch video for the Gold Rush Auto Trader. Let's go.
The time has come. You can get access today. The most powerful hands-free gold trading system is finally here. Welcome to the PTFX Gold Rush Auto Trader, where you make money on complete autopilot 5 days a week. Make money while you sleep, while you work, while you spend time with your family and friends. Unlock the time freedom you deserve with the PTFX Gold Rush. Auto Trader, fully automated, profitable, and proven. One account grew by 130% in just 13 days. Check out this proof.
Okay, so I just want to show you all. So we've now completed 130% growth. Okay, so after the win-loss ratio from last night's trade session with the Gold Rush, we cleared 491. Okay, this is in one night. Okay, so you can see we added a win-loss ratio to open up a bunch of trades by itself, but this thing's incredible. I love how it wins so consistently. So when I take my month, so I'm gonna go back to the top, September trades. You can see I started this account with $1,000, guys. Okay, so the first one I showed you, we took 1,000 to 3,200. So the date on this was April 28th. I stopped it for some time. When did I stop it? Let's see. Okay, you can see, guys. So look, so I stopped on. In 2 days, we grew it to $700, right? Then I stopped it for some time. And I restarted it again on May 21st. And today is May 26th. So this is in 5 days from May 21st to May 26th. You can see we made $1,303, completing 130% growth. And you can see 0 drawdown, guys. That's key. 0 drawdown. So this was the real account. You can go ahead and withdraw that money right now. You can withdraw $1,300. So this is powerful. Okay, this is another one. We have so many other examples of how the Gold Rush Auto Trader works, but this is extremely powerful, guys. You can see the power of this amazing auto trading software that's offered with the PTFX University.
If you thought that was great, check out our other account that grew to over $7,500 in under a month.
Guys, I wanted to give an update on this particular account that I've been growing with the Gold Rush Auto Trader. These results are incredible. As you can see, my current balance is $7,525. I started off with $1,000 on this account less than 3 weeks ago. I'm gonna prove it to you here. In less than 3 weeks, we start off with $1,000. We've already earned $6,525. Last night, there was a major move in the market with gold, okay, that I've never seen before. And I've never seen the Gold Rush just go active like that. Like, it really went crazy, opened up over 100+ trades, and we ended up clearing let's go to just yesterday, a $5,222 trade. Okay, now this is with the real broker, guys. So these are with real spreads, okay? So just this week alone, $5,824 a week. And again, for the month, you can see we had a $6,525 month, okay? And again, no drawdown. So this would be clear to withdraw, which is crazy. Super excited about this. It launches June 1st. Anybody who's a part of the community, the private trading community, okay, you will get a 50% discount on licensings for a year or on an unlimited license, permanent license. So if you want more information about that and you want this amazing 100% hands-free gold trading software exclusively offered in the private trading room, PTFX University.
As you can see, this is a true game changer and could potentially be a life changer as well. No hype, just results. 50% off promo spots are limited. Once they are gone, they are gone. This isn't a theory. It's a proven, automated income system. The only question now is, will you be using it or watching others win with it? Visit www.goldrushregister.info right now to reserve your license. Kenny J will walk you through everything, step by step. This is your gold rush moment. It's not luck. It's not a dream. It's AI in action, built for people ready to take control. Welcome to the future of trading. Welcome to PTFX Gold Rush. If this video gave you value, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real results and updates. We're just getting started, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Hit that bell so you're first in line when we drop new proof, updates, and income tools. Trading in financial markets involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results.
Okay, wow. Listen, guys, I'm super excited. Shout out to everybody out there who's been following me on YouTube. I see my subscribers are growing, and we really want to tap into the internet world. People out there looking to get inside of the Forex trading world and looking for that right community for you and looking for the right leadership and mentorship, because we're not done yet with the private trading. Okay, the private trading, we're going to continue to add education, continue to add trading services, continue to build software that folks could use and actually use to make passive income in the trading markets. So you definitely want to be a part of this community. If you want to register for the Gold Rush and save 50%, guys, let me say that again. You could save 50% on the Gold Rush, guys, on a year licensing or a limited permanent licensing. And all you have to do is register, okay, before the 15th of June, okay? Before the 15th of June, www.goldrushregister.info. Again, that's www.goldrushregister.info, okay? Or you could also text I want the Gold Rush to my business line, 346-620-9094. Okay, 346-620-9094. Okay, that's more so for a direct response. I'd rather you fill out the form, but the folks just want to just actually directly contact me, okay? And I could actually answer a couple questions for you, and you can go ahead and fill out the form. Just text me, I want the Gold Rush, okay? You can get direct access. That is my business line, okay? And then for folks who are actually international, all you have to do is go to Telegram and look up the private trade room, okay? That's the private trade room. If you're international, send me a message there, okay, saying I want the Gold Rush, or just reach out to me and we'll arrange a way to speak, or I could do a live chat with you there. My goal, whether if we do a 10 to 15-minute phone call, depending on your questioning, I want to answer all your questions, make sure you feel comfortable about everything before you purchase. All right. Also, if we're doing a Zoom call, or if we are just texting live, I can also answer those questions for you as well that way. If you send it to me by text message, I'll answer all your questions for you, and then we can get you set up the same day on the Gold Rush, and you can have access to this amazing, amazing money printing software. God bless you. This is Kenny J with the Private Trade Room and PTFX University, and we will see you inside the community. Peace.